Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode. Today, we're back on the Gladiator. What are we doing? Stick around, you'll find out. Hey everyone, if you've been watching the channel lately, we've been doing a lot of exterior work on the Gladiator with the bumper, the side steps, the lift, the tires. Now we're working on the inside. So it has the Alpine sound system with the factory sub, and it sounds decent as it is. I'm one of these people, I like to have a lot more clarity, and there's a lot of mid-range, but I don't have a lot of highs. And that's the one thing I'm finding that I don't like about the sound in this. So we decided to replace some speakers. So we got some Euphoria ES3 3.5-inch speakers right here, which we're going to put in the dash of the vehicle, of the Gladiator. These will make a nice upgrade for it. They're rated at 35 watts, so it's just a great factory upgrade. The 4 ohm, 92 decibel sensitivity rating. But the good part is the tweeter in the middle. That's where the real sound quality is going to come in and improve on. So without any further delay, let's go get the factory speakers out and get ready to put those in. So stick around, I'll show you how we do it. Alright, so here we are, we're in the Jeep. I've got the speaker grill off, and as you can see, it only comes off with 4 little tabs. And it just kind of sits right there, just like that. Using your panel popper, not a flathead screwdriver, an actual panel tool. You just kind of work your way in, take that cover off, and away we go. Revealing that. So time to take that out, compare it to the speaker we have, and get the new one put in. So stick around. Alright, so here we are. We got the factory speaker out. Magnet looks a little small, but it's probably neodymium, which they're always smaller than the good old-fashioned ones that everybody knows. This here is just a one-way mid-range. This here is two-way. It's a coaxial. So overall, for what it was, it worked great. It's just me. I like a lot more highs, a lot more clarity that way. So what we've done is we have the 72 7902, and we are hooking it up to the speaker itself. Now I don't have this completely done yet, that's why it looks like this, but what I've done is I've taken the connector, we've soldered it to the terminals. There we go. And then we're going to put the heat shrink over it and put some more heat shrink there to keep everything nice. So stick around. We're going to go get some heat shrink going. There, and there we have it. We've got the harness. You can see everything's all heat shrunk down, labeled, showing which is which. Then we got our just a little wire management going here, going to our connector. So we're going to do that one more time on this speaker, and then we're going to go put them in and see how they sound. Alright, so here's number 2. You can see we got the solder, the heat shrink, the wire management going up to our terminal. So that is the second one ready to go. So let's go put them in, see what it's going to sound like. Alright, so here we are in the Jeep. One thing I didn't show you was we added some foam on the back side of the speaker. And what that does, there we are. You can see the foam ring. That's going to help keep a lot of the sound from vibrating out of the vehicle. I know that might not be the technical term, but it helps prevent rattles, makes things sound better, all that good stuff. So as you saw, we had our little connector, so that's just going to go there. Kind of hard to do with one hand, but hey, there we go. And then the speaker, after you move stuff around, make room for it, just drops right back in the hole. Put the screws in, and that's what we'll have. So I'm going to put the screws back in, we're going to test it, and call it done. So stick around, I'll show you how we test it. Alright, so here we are. As you can see, we got speakers back in. That's just kind of sitting there so I don't lose it. We're going to be testing these speakers using our speaker polarity tester. As you can hear, we have a ticking sound. So what we're doing is we're checking to see how they are for polarity. Now that one there was showing 3 reds and a green. And that one shows 3 reds and a green. Now, we also have down here by our knees, our fronts. They show 3 reds and a green. And so does the passenger front speaker. So all the speakers are within phase of each other, or polarity. So that tells me we're good to put stuff back together. So all it is just push that speaker grill back on, just like that, and done. There. Now we just sit back and enjoy the better sound and go from there. So if you like this video, I can't let you hear what it's going to sound like because YouTube has their copyright laws and all that good stuff. So plus my microphone on my camera doesn't work that good for picking up sound, so it's not going to sound good regardless. But I can tell you it has made a huge improvement on the front end and the overall sound quality. So it's a very easy, simple upgrade, and it's well worth it. So if that's something you want to do, you see how to do it, get out there and work on it. If not, you're in the area, bring it by and we can do it as well. So until next time, remember to hit that subscribe button and stay warm and keep it loud.